Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, was here attending the Niti Aayog meeting, which is being under the chairmanship of Honorable Prime Minister. We all heard her, even as she spoke. Every Chief Minister was given an allotted time, and that was displayed on the screen which was present before every table. We could see 2 tables would have a screen before us, and we could see before us the respective Chief Ministers speaking. So did we watch so many Chief Ministers speaking, as was Mamata Banerjee ji also speaking. But apparently she is now conveyed to the media, or conveyed through the media, that her mic was put off. That is completely false. Every Chief Minister was given their due time to speak. If they wanted an extra time, when the meeting, which is being chaired by the Prime Minister, but the organizing of the meeting is being done by Senior Minister Shri Rajnath Singh, Raksha Mantri ji. At the end of the time of allotted time of the Chief Minister, Rajnath ji would tap on the mic, so it would go audibly. You will hear a tick noise. It has been done for all Chief Ministers, but it's unfortunate that the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, has claimed that as switching off her mic, which is not true.
বাজে কথা মিথ্যে কথা এখন শাক দিয়ে মাছ ঢাকার চেষ্টা করছে। নিজেদের ভুলটা যদি তখন বুঝতে পারতো, তাহলে আমার সাথে এটা করতো না। ডেলিবারেট অ্যাটেম্প্ট টু ম্যালাইন অপোজিশন, এটা হচ্ছে জেনে বুঝে ডেলিবারেট অ্যাটেম্প্ট টু ম্যালাইন। তা নিজেদের তো রক্ষা করতে হবে, ফেস সেভিং করতে হবে এখন না। ফেসটা তো লস হয়ে গেছে, তা ফেস সেভিং করবে কি করে?